What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have some cabin air filter replacements for the Cybertruck and the Model 3 and Model Y from Lectron. These are premium carbon activated filters that provide premium air quality. Of course, on the Model 3 and the Model Y, this is a 2-pack because there is 2 filters in there. And I believe on the Cybertruck, it's just one humongous filter. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the Lectron Cabin Air Filter for the Cybertruck. And I'm going to show you a quick installation video and show you the difference between this filter and the stock filter that comes with your Cybertruck or your Model Y or Model 3. Inside the packaging, you're going to be presented with the filter itself and the instructions on how to properly install this. And look at the quality of this bad boy. This thing is heavy. So you have the filter there, and then you have the carbonated filter here on the back. Now, it's good to mention that these are HEPA 13, I believe is what they are. HEPA 13 with activated carbon at 600. And it does come with the necessary tools in order to install this. Is this going to stay? So you do get the little torque wrench here. And you're also going to get the pry tool. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and walk to the front of the Cybertruck, pop the front open, and start the installation. Okay, first thing first, if you have a mat, you have to remove this mat just so you can get underneath here and here. So you can pop this open. Remember, use your pry tool. I think it's easier if you just get it from the side. Take your pry tool like this, pop this, grab your hand, kind of pop this out. Like so. Remove this out of the way. Now, they say that sometimes you get some screws here. Mine don't have the screws, so then you don't need the torque wrench right here. You don't need this no more. But if you do have the screws there, they provide the tool here. Now, there's 3 clips that got to be removed. They're easily removed. So basically, you don't want to press down hard on these. You want to kind of push up on these latches like that. And then this will get released. That's just so you don't break these latches here. So kind of push up, and this will kind of, yeah, because I don't see a screw, come off like so, very easily. And then you have the filter itself, big old filter like so. Let's put that aside. So this is the Lectron HEPA H13 carbon activated filter. As you can see, the difference in the back, you do have all kinds of carbon little material back there compared to this one right here. Just make sure that the airflow is facing up. These are the pull tabs. The airflow is up. So when you go ahead and install this, as you can see, it says airflow up. This is going to go like so. And if you have any debris or anything in this compartment, just make sure to clear it out. No issues with that. Just go ahead and place this bad boy in here like so. And you're going to take your lid. You got these tabs back here that kind of just hook on there, and then just press in, and it's nice and sealed. And basically that's it. You'll be done installing this air filter. This, you can throw this away or recycle it, but you're gonna grab the cover here, and this is just gonna go back like you removed it. Like so. And you're done. All right, so I'm gonna briefly walk you through how to do it for your Model 3, Model Y. Now, this is for anything that's 2016 and up. Now, one thing to mention about these nice replacement filters as well, that these are HEPA H13 activated carbon, which is absolutely fantastic at 600 grade, I believe. Model Y, Model 3, 2006 or later. So without further ado, let's go ahead and walk you through installing these. Okay, before you start with the install, you want to absolutely move your seat all the way back to give you enough room to work here underneath the glove box. And if you have all-weather mats or any type of mats, you want to just remove these. Also, just so you can get to this panel right here, this panel down here, we have to remove as well. There is some clips here that you just got to pry out with the pry tool, and then remove the cover here for the filters. And let me walk you through that real quick. You have to pull these tabs right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs, and then once you use the pry tool to kind of pry them open, you can just pull these, just wiggle them out, and they'll completely come out like that. If one comes out, just use the pry tool to get it out like so. You won't damage them. And then this is just going to come off very easily like that. Now you can unclip these clips here and put this aside, or you can just kind of be careful and just leave this tucked in like that out of the way, because you are going to go right here and remove this whole panel right now. And to remove this, you pretty much grab your ply tool, kind of get under here, and then start removing these clips. And there you go. All this is out. Now you have full access to the filter, which you're going to take this tool right here, and then we're going to unscrew this screw right here with the torque screw provided. So once you're done unscrewing this, you're going to unscrew this, and then this piece is going to come off, expose the filter. So you have two filters here. You have one on top, one on the bottom. This one's going to open. Now I've already have them installed because I actually lost the footage here of this installing, so I had to do it again. So you can see the Lectron carbon filter. You're going to pull that one out, lift the other one, pull that one out, drop one first, and then this is going to go in like so. And then all you do is reverse the steps and you're good to go. All right, we're done with the installation, and I gotta say it was very simple and easy to do. All the tools are provided by Lectron. All you need is that little pry removal tool and that little torque screwdriver that they give you, and you're good to go. The Cybertruck didn't even need the little screwdriver. You do need it for the Model Y and the Model 3. Now, you can thank me later because you no longer have to smell that nasty stench that comes out of your AC. You're going to smell nice, good, premium quality, carbon activated air straight into your nostrils. Breathe it on in, breathe it on in. Smells absolutely fantastic. And lucky for you, Lectron sent me an extra pair of these filters for your Model 3, Model Y that I will be giving away to you. All you got to do is like, share, and subscribe the video, and leave a comment letting me know how bad your AC smells. The funniest comment is going to get this from me. I'm going to go ahead and choose the funniest comment, so be very creative, and I'll ship you a pair of these cabin air filter replacements for your Model 3, Model Y 2016 and up. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.